Hi everyone. My name is Stacy Knappenberger. I'm the Resource and Content Coordinator here at UAT, and I'm going to be talking about the bindery and the resource things that we supply here at UAT. And basically, there's printing services like your standard printing. There's 3D printing that we offer, plotter printing if you want like posters or like large scale printing. There's laser etching that's supplied as well. Binding if you need any of that done, and a little bit of lamination. Um, and for the resources that are available for checkout mostly are a few course books, some course films, and if you're part of the digital video program, there will be equipment that you can check out as well. Um, and there's some virtual reality hardware and some drones, which are pretty cool. And as far as resources for all of your classes, everything is supplied for you. As far as the textbooks, any other supplies, computer software, hardware, things like that. And for the bindery hours, because I know I forgot to mention that, the bindery hours are Monday through Saturday. It is 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. For the bindery email, they can be reached at bindery@uat.edu. And then for me, it's just resource team, all one word, resource team@uat.edu.